evening. This is Alia reporting for Your City News. Allegedly trying to overtake, housewife fatally run over by truck in Mojokerto. A housewife was fatally run over by a food truck while taking her child to school on Maten Village Walk, Buri District, Mojokerto on Monday, October 20, 2025. The victim was riding a motorcycle with her child and allegedly collided with another motorcycle ridden by a high school student while attempting to overtake a food truck loaded with cement. As a result, the victim fell and was crushed under the truck wheel. Dying instantly at the scene, her child sustained minor abrasion, while the other motorcyclist suffered a broken bone. The evacuation process was dramatic and took more than an hour to complete. This has been Alia reporting for Your City News. Good night.